Hello developers. Previous session I was explained about structural directives. Now I will explain custom directives. If you did not watch that video, I will give that link in description. Please go and watch. So custom directives means we can create directives by using command that will we can consider as custom directives. Ng generate directive name I will give apply color. This generate we can give, this is shortcut command. We can give directly generate directive also. See here, two files is generated colors. So here this is the class name. This class name we can use here. Firstly we need to import that class name in any of the component. I'm using app component currently. So we can import here. Next step is like I can take one HTML TS file. We need to save HTML file h1. No, hello developers we can give. Okay, these developers I need to use here. One selector we have, right? This selector we can apply which HTML file we want, which HTML element we want to apply, we can use there. And then here inside constructor I will take element ref. This element ref will grab all the data of the element, means here it will take this entire data. I will assign this to one variable. This concept is considered as dependency injection. We can import it. See, from Angular core I am downloading it. Then inside constructor only this dot, or else outside the constructor also it will work. This dot el dot native element. Okay, this keyword is referring at least one method inside we can place. So by default I am using inside constructor only el dot native element dot styles I am applying. style dot color equal to red I am applying. See, now we can run this. npm run start. We can click on this URL. See, red color that hello developers is coming. Like this way custom directives will work. Firstly, we can import, this is standalone component, means here after Angular 17 this standalone components came. So here we have app.component.ts file. Here only we can import those all, like whatever directives, pipes, everything. If we want to apply, we can import. Second step is, like here selector is there, that selector wherever component we want to import, we can apply there, that element we can apply there. After third step, element ref, it will grab all the data of this one. So inside element ref we have native element is there, and I want to apply colors, so I am using style.color. So red color is coming. That's it. This is about custom directives. By using here inside this native element, the this hello developers will come, we can grab. So by using this we can modify or we can apply background color, any styles we can apply, or we can change that DOM, anything we can do based on our requirement. If you have any doubts in this concept, please comment me, I will respond. If you like this video, share and subscribe so that some more people will learn about this topic. Thank you.